Introduce yourself, Sanli.
Sorry.
Introduce yourself, Sanli.
Um, I'm family. Basically, I'm from India, but I'm currently staying in Netherlands, Rotterdam, and I'm working as a manual tester in service now.
Okay, what is main method?
Main method in whatever in Java. Whatever we wrote in the main method will only get execute, and in the main method stand a public static void main string argument, and here public is the access specifier. We have 4 type of access specifier: public, private, protected, default, or package. And static is the modifier. We have 2 types of modifier: static and non-static. Then void is the return type. Again, we have different types of return types: byte, short, float, long. And then public static void main is the method name, and string argument is the parameter that passed to the main method.
Okay, what are the conditional statements?
Conditional statement. Yeah, we have the different type of conditional statement we have in Java are if else, if, nested if.
Okay, what are logical operators?
Um, uh, and, or, and not.
Okay, what is inheritance, and explain all types of inheritance?
Okay, so the inheritance is inheriting the properties of one class to another class is called inheritance. And the different types of inheritance we have in Java are single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance. So single inheritance is inheriting from one class to another class is called single inheritance. Then multi-level inheritance, inheriting the properties of one class to another class, then from that class to another class is called multi-level inheritance. Multiple inheritance, one subclass inherit the properties of multiple superclasses called multiple inheritance. But in Java, using class, it is not possible, but it's possible with the help of interface. Then hierarchical inheritance, multiple subclass inherit the properties of single superclass is called hierarchical inheritance. And hybrid inheritance is the combination of single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance.
Okay, what is method overriding?
Method overriding, developing the same method which is present in the child class with different implementation is called method overriding. The rules for method overriding is it will be a non-static method. Then there should be a relationship between 2 classes, and the return type and the argument should be same. Then we can override any method.
What is super keyword?
Okay, see, a super keyword is used to call the parent class method implementation together with child class implementation, and it used only in case of method overriding.
What is super calling statement?
Super calling statement is used to call the parent class constructor from child class constructor. It is 2 types. Parameterized super calling statement, non-parameterized super calling statement. If it is a non-parameterized, then we don't have to write it explicitly, but if it is parameterized, we have to write it implicitly. Explicitly.
Okay. What is difference between local and global variable?
Okay. So the local variable is which we declare inside a method is called local variable, and global variable which we declare outside a method but inside the class is called global variable. The scope of the local variable is within that method, but the scope of the global variable is starting from the class to end of the class. Then the default local variable doesn't have the default values, but global variable have the default values. Like for byte, short, int, long, the default value will be 0. For a float and double 0.0. For boolean it is false. For a string it is null. Then we in local variable we cannot utilize the variable until and unless we have declared it. But in global variable we can utilize it without initializing it. And sorry, I think I told wrongly. Like in local variable we cannot utilize the value until and unless we have initialized it. And one other difference, we cannot distinguish a local variable with static and non-static, but we can distinguish a global variable with static and non-static.
Okay, what is this calling statement?
This calling statement. This calling statement is used to call the one class constructor to an another constructor. Is called this calling statement.
Okay, what is scanner?
A scanner is a predefined class in Java, and it is a predefined class in Java. It's always non-static. It can have the access specifier, and the method name and the class name should be same in the scanner class. Sorry. I think I'm talking about constructor. Sorry. Scanner class is a predefined class in Java which has lots of method inside it, and it's used for the runtime output. So like if user can give the output in runtime.
What is the exception we get in scanner?
Input mismatch exception.
What is exceptional handling?
Exceptional handling. Exception handling in Java can be handled in two ways: try and catch. So with the help of try, whichever line is giving us the exception, we can handle it with the help of try, but we have to declare it in the catch block. For one try, there can be multiple catch block. After declaring the try and catch, if we are getting the exception, then the try block will execute. If we are not getting the exception, then the catch block will execute.
Okay. What is difference between throw and throws?
Throw is used to throw an exception, but throws is used to declare an exception. We can write the throw within the method, but we can write the throws with the method name. And one throw can throw one exception, but one throws can declare multiple exception.
Okay, what is typecasting?
Typecasting is converting one type to another type is called typecasting. We have two type of typecasting: primitive and class typecasting. Primitive typecasting is converting one data type to another type is called primitive typecasting. We have two type of primitive typecasting: narrowing and widening. And in class typecasting, converting the subclass object to superclass type is called class typecasting. Again, we have two types: upcasting and downcasting.
Okay, what is abstract class and abstract method?
Abstract class. Abstract class are those class which has abstract method in it. Abstract class can also have concrete class as well, and abstract method. The- Okay, we can write the abstract method with the help of abstract keyword, and abstract method can I couldn't remember this abstract method.
Okay, what is interface?
Interface is only known to be abstract method inside it. We can write a interface with the help of keyword interface. All the methods and variable of interface is by default public, and if we want to make a relation between interface and class, we can make a relationship with the help of keyword implement, and interface interface can only have abstract method inside it.
Okay, write a program to check if your name is palindrome or not.
Okay, and where I have to write?
So share your screen and open your Eclipse. In the Eclipse you write.
Okay.
String will be your name, not mom.
My name. Okay. Can I write the program and then I proceed for further, or I have to write completely?
Yeah, write the complete program.
Okay. Will I run the program?
Yes, run the program.
Not a calendar.
Yeah, but your name not printing in reverse order. So change the for loop conditions.
Okay.
Int I equal to 4, I greater than equal to 0.
Oh, sorry, I put less than, right? I think it's 5, not 4.
0, 2, 3, 4, 4. Yes. Yeah, now it's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, write another program to show the scanner exception.
Okay.
Okay, write another program to display one try block and 3 catch blocks.
1 try and 3 catch. in the same program?
Yes, in the same program you can do.
Okay. I just give it my free catch block, right?
Yes, three catch blocks.
Here it will be like some exception name. I don't know why I'm getting the error over here.
Okay, hover over and click the second option.
Hmm.
Your null pointer exception.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, then run. And now it's fine.
Sorry?
Now it is fine.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, Samli, thank you. Theoretical concepts you have answered very much perfectly. Programming you need to practice. Also, you need to
Okay.
remember all the Java exceptions.
Java exception.
Index
Okay.
out of bounds, null pointer, arithmetic exception.
Okay. Program wise,
Program also
like
need
it's
to practice more.
okay, but I know that like concept, right? Like how to write. Somewhere I miss it because of
Yes,
the greater than
practice
and
is
less than.
needed.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah. Thank you, Ishan. Thank you so much. Thank you for the feedback.
Thank